What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about drones, the all-new DJI Mavic, talking about what it's been like using this new drone for the last month. And then also, I've got two of these babies brand new. I think I want to give away one of them to you guys. Gonna talk about how one of you lucky subscribers can win an all-new DJI Mavic Air. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're talking about this all-new DJI Mavic Air. It's been out for about a month. I got it about a month ago. Gonna kind of review it. And then also I want one of you lucky subscribers to win one of these babies. So you gotta stay tuned and you gotta watch the whole video if you really wanna win one of these drones. It's very simple. It's gonna be free and easy to enter. You just gotta watch the whole video first. And also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because I'm gonna be giving away all kinds of new drones and things going on for the next couple of weeks. So make sure you're subscribed to find out what the next giveaway is gonna be after this one, the new DJI Mavic Air. And you can see it's about as big as my face. But this is an amazing 4K drone, shoots 4K footage. It's easy to fly. It folds out just like this. Boom, boom, bang. 4 legs fold out. You're ready to fly in a matter of seconds. I like the batteries. They're small. They're easy. Fit in the case. I've been flying this drone a lot. I'm impressed on how well it flies. The footage looks amazing. There's something about the processor shooting 100 megabits per second that really makes the footage just look really nice. And the colors, kind of the overall sharpness of the image look really good. New gimbal from DJI really is impressive. I've flown this baby in like 30, 40 mile an hour winds, and the footage is so smooth. Also, the sensors seem to really work well. The front, the back sensors. One of the issues with the Mavic Pro is it doesn't have sensors in the rear. So when you are flying backwards, you know, sometimes you're like, hey, is there a tree there? What's behind me? And now with the Mavic Air, I don't have to worry about it because the sensors are in the rear there. When I first got it, I was amazed at how small it is. And then now I'm amazed on how easy it is to use, how well it flies, the response, the overall speed, the smoothness, the camera quality, the image quality. It's a great little drone. This is probably my #1 drone right now. When I travel, I just went to Mexico. I took this with me. I'm going down to Union Island soon in the Caribbean. I'm taking this drone with me. I don't think I own another drone that I would take on a trip over the Mavic Air. For everything that I need for vlogs, for videos, for YouTube, the Mavic Air is everything and more. The DJI Mavic Air is probably the easiest to use drone on the market right now that also shoots 4K footage. If I had to name one other brand that made a drone that could compete with the Mavic Air, I couldn't. If you asked me, hey, what compares to the Mavic Air? There really is nothing else out there. Now, you could go inside of DJI and look at the Spark, you could look at the Phantom 4 Pro or the Mavic Pro, but still, I'm kind of sold on the Mavic Air right now, being the drone that I think most people are going to be buying this season. The controller is very simple and easy to use as well. Got the 2 little antennas on there. I can take these little babies off there. Overall, there's just nothing I can complain about. Maybe I could complain about the Wi-Fi connection. I wish the Mavic Air used the OcuSync, but I'm thinking DJI is probably going to come out with a new Mavic Pro 2 at some point that'll have OcuSync. That would be my suspicion. That's why they didn't put the OcuSync on the Mavic Air, because they're going to come out with something even better this year that'll have the OcuSync. I really wish I had more to say, but I guess that's not a bad thing because I am in love with the all-new DJI Mavic Air and how simple and easy it is to fly. I think if you're on the fence trying to figure out what drone you want to buy, there's not really any drone out there that could compare with all the benefits of the Mavic Air, and then also some of the smart features and things that they've also enabled in the new DJI Go app and everything like that. I'm sitting here really trying to rack my mind on why somebody might not like the Mavic Air. Other than the Wi-Fi connection, I can't see any reason that you wouldn't love the Mavic Air. I feel like I'm just rambling on here talking about how much I love it, and I'm sure you guys want to find out how you can win one of these Mavic Airs. So if you want to win the Mavic Air, there'll be a link in the description. Now that link's gonna take you to a website which will tell you you need to do certain things. You need to subscribe to the YouTube, you need to follow me on Twitter, and do all these other things. If you don't have a Twitter, don't worry. If you're already following me on YouTube, don't worry as well, because there's other things you can do on there. And then I'll pick a winner at the end of March once the contest is over, and I will send you a brand new DJI Mavic Air. Go ahead and hit the link below in the description for a chance to win what I think is the best drone out right now and kind of my favorite drone. So I want one of you guys to win. We got the white one, we got a red one. I'll let you guys choose which one you want, or maybe I'll just send you one as a surprise. You should be happy either way. This is a $799 drone that I'm giving away to you guys for free. So there are perks to being a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And if you guys haven't already and you are waiting, I would definitely hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys later on.